Weather from where you live.
All right, a lot of supercell thunderstorms tonight. Notice how they're individual at first when they blow up with large-scale tornadoes. In fact, at least 14 reports of tornadoes to our west and northwest tonight. But now they're kind of congealing into at least a broken line. We've got a line here, and one near Kansas City. And the storms kind of line up all the way back down to Texas. And again, like we were saying a little earlier, these may kind of skim by our northwest counties, and that's what we've got tonight. We've got some storms up in Newton and Jasper County at the present time. The Storm Prediction Center has got the watch along US 24 and points northward until 2 a.m., though I think it may expire perhaps a little bit early. But the storms are in a weakening mode. Nonetheless, this is pretty heavy rain now out of Morocco, but moving from Fair Oaks and Rensselaer all the way southward to just north of Remington. This is all kind of moving east-northeast, and it's also moving towards Maderryville and Francisville and near Monon. And again, with pretty wet soils up here from the recent rain, watch out for some patches of localized flash flooding, and there may be a shower or two here in Benton County. But again, this is going to move out and things will start to kind of wind down a little bit as we head into the overnight here. Temperatures, though, where it's been raining, it's 66 at Morocco, but still 74 at the television station. It's 76 at Monticello and 74 degrees at Frankfort, and only 67 tonight. And tomorrow, all the way up to around 90 degrees with the heat index around 91, 92, back down to 88 by 6 p.m. And again tonight, we're going to watch those storms kind of skimming by our northwestern and far northern counties. We'll get those out of here, and then tomorrow will be dry, windy, hot, and humid. And overall pretty dry on Thursday, but then storm chances start to come back up, and the severe weather potential will start to come up Friday into Saturday, and the severe weather potential may tend to peak on Saturday evening. Then tonight, though, 65 Rensselaer to about 68 at Ladoga, 67 Frankfort over towards Rossville and Lafayette. And there's the heat tomorrow. At least we're going to have a strong south wind up to 32 miles an hour. So that'll make it feel a little bit better outside. 90 Lafayette, 88 Frankfort, 87 Rochester, and 90s from Fowler and Pine Village down to Attica and Petersburg. And 85 to 90 on Thursday, another windy, warm, humid day. So there are the storms in the northwest tonight. Again, notice how we get them out of here tomorrow. It's just a mostly sunny sky. Again, we're in good shape, and I think we're going to continue to be in good shape through most of Thursday. Once we get into Friday, we may see a few scattered showers and storms start to develop, and you know what? I always do that. I always get trigger happy and skip my 7-day forecast. So let's go back and click back on it. There's the heat. Notice the 88 on Thursday, the 87 Friday, a few scattered storms on Friday. Saturday, we've got to watch for severe weather, specifically late in the day with 84. A few showers Sunday morning, otherwise 73, and then we're back to 85 on Tuesday. We need to shut the rain off. We're getting a lot of young corn plants that are starting to get submerged, but unfortunately, we've got more rain, Dan, in the forecast even into next week.
Okay, Chad, thanks. Well, it's
Sure.
starting to heat up a little bit for us outside. Hopefully the Pacers can turn the heat down.